Cause baby like it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around each day. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like it's all another flower lane.
Hello. Nagpapaganda na kami. Nakaroon ba ako? Nasir ng mga klase ko itong braso ko. Ang galing nga eh. May ang talent yun. Talent sila. Talent. Baliin. Yung kabila. Ganun din.
O diba? Parang si Maymay.
Oo.
Look! Look!
Look! Ano yan? Ewan ko. Oh.
It's all another flower lane. Lỡ nhìn anh chờ mong anh mà anh hững hờ từng đêm nhớ.
Hi. Iniwan na ako, bes.
Em cũng chỉ
Bye, guys.
của anh, but that's enough. Your item moves, it's over tonight. Mình đã có biết bao buồn vui, đã có lúc môi kèm môi qua.
Magbablog nga siya ngayon. Baka makasama si ano. Katlin. Sira ang camera.
Ang nilipad ka sa dagat.
Nakakain ka eh.
Ang init kasi, kailangan umulan. Nakakailaw yung biyahe ko kanina eh.
Sabi niyo si Aisha, ha?
Nakakailaw yung biyahe kanina. Talaga. Daddy. Daddy daw pa. Daddy daw. Daddy ka daw niya. Sabi yan na si daddy, yan na si daddy. Sabi nga naman pa, daddy.
Ano, dati di Dodo?
Alam. Taklo lang ang tubig.
Painom naman! Taba ka niyan. Gusto mo ba? Ang hirap naman nun!
Para may trail, oh. Sipin mo, ibibili ko sa cellphone, 30,000 bago, aba, 97, 98, dapat, walang bababa doon.
No!
97 pataas. Oh,
Huwag na!
ay bahala ka.
Bakit ba? Ang hirap naman nun. Line of 9, okay na yun.
Aba.
Puro 90,
Kahit mo
ganun.
talaga, may 30,000 cellphone ka, oh. Aba,
Sabi mo nung dati, 9 po pag line of 9.
97 pataas.
Wala kasi sabi 90 sa'yo pag mga puro 90. Bibilang mo
Yung
ko ng
97 pababa, 97 pababa, kipad lang.
Kipad. Ano si Kipad? Magpapayos ako, Bok.
Ha?
Magpapayos ako, Bok.
Ha?
Magpapayos ang Bok.
Ay, naku. Si kagupit dyan, kaya-kaya nito.
Eh, magpapariband ako pa.
Galing nga yun sa rehab.
Ayun.
Sakto yun. Oo.
Ala, yun na nga lang, pa-birthday mo sa akin eh.
Galing rehab yun.
Magpapariband na ulit ako.
Sinabi ang mga riban-riban.
Ang pangit na ng buhok ko eh.
Please don't say you love me. Please don't say you wanna let me. Please don't say you love me. You and I. Please don't say you love me.
Ibig ko mandang ibigay kahit sa
Please don't say you love me.
Ay, magtatalabis din ako.
Please don't say you love me. Please don't say you love me.
Ganda rin! Ginaganon na. Oo, ginaganon na. Wala, OA. OA na ba? OA na.
siya. Dagat na kasi. Ang init-init. Titingin lang tayo. O, yan natin. Nanuhan natin ha. Tara. Hi guys. Neat. Kamakmura, di mahirapan ang mag-edit yan. Mag-edit.
As you shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you.
Hi guys.
Can't believe that I get to see those eyes.
Oo, Kala nyo wala yung kasama yan.
Dito ko. Kasama ko mamaya. We're watching Marita.
Lucky I met you. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark.
Hi guys. Iwan nila akong mag-isa dito so ako. Mag-tiktok lang ako bago ako mag-swimming.
Right when I'm with you, I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than the night.
Ayun! Brown out na naman siya. Ayun na pala. Sorry. Okay lang.
So lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you.
Morning. Kakain na tayo.
So lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.
Ano kain mamaya ka?
Walk into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and denim from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Oh, love. Across the road. Across the road. Lost and in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Hindi na lang.
Hindi na lang, kaya yan.
And if you could read my mind, will you make your way towards mine? And if you could read my mind, will you cross this room tonight? Tonight.
Apo, tsaka po yung milkshake. Cookies and cream.
I wanna be with you. What if you say
The best.
but what if you say yes I do? Tired of laying low. I'm lost when I'm with you. I don't know if you share this light. Think about you late at night. I'm wondering if this feeling.
Andito pa din tayo sa loob. Laki niya guys. Ano ba mas malaki? Yung sa kamay ni Jesus o ito? Ito na.
Pwede na ako apply photographer.
Oh!
More than just friends. I wanna be with you. I hope we're more than just friends. I hope you feel this too. Baby, if you like my looking on the bright side, you haven't smiled in so.
Kumakain ka na ganyan. Nanonood. Ano yan? Nag-iingat ba kain mo? Hindi ka nakain.
Hindi, pinlay ko lang.
Just a simple action.
Wine.
Yes.
Mamatay din siya dyan.
Lana!
Ano yan na?
Bili ka nga. Bili ka daw.
Ano ba bili yan?
Order ako, ikaw.
Slim on the moonlight with you.
Ngayon, magluluto tayo ng dinner. Magluluto tayo ng ulam.
I'm never forgetting what I felt with you. When I hold you so close, you're the one I want most. Look into my eyes, yeah, it's true. And I don't know, oh baby, where the ride should go slow. Let's just live our best life. You and I got our night, kissing on the moonlight with you. And I don't know, oh baby, where the ride should go slow. Let's just live our best life. You and I got our night, kissing on the moonlight.
So, nagugutom ulit ako. Kakain tayo ngayon ng lasagna. Niyakag na ako kaganina ni Mami, kaso, natamad pa akong kumain. Eh ngayon, nagutom tayo.
All kinds of things, the mountain sunk hills, sky color schemes, makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder, satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life, the simple times in the Arizona thunder, the Arizona thunder tonight. Endless road.